We're off to explore Ocean Hotel. Pretty excited to see what's in there. This is nice, look at this. I love the glass. Nice entrance. It's quite modern. Let's explore. So we're on the first floor. Here are the lifts. So this is the reception. It's looking very nice. That is a very long queue barrier. That is the high limits part. 65 grand you can win. They have a Starbucks coming soon. Nice. It's pretty. This is another restaurant just there. They're all of the dining options. You can just tell they're all nice restaurants. It's a nightclub. They're all playing poker. It looks so cool. This casino is huge. Okay, the nightclub is up there. So this is the Asian tables. That bar is nice. It's very classy in here. So this is a place for the bars and restaurants. Even these toilets are so nice. What is going on? Where are the toilets? So we were just through there. Now they have a full-on Italian restaurant.
With hoagies and cheese sticks.
Gift redemption centre. Please explain. We're genuinely lost. We've come into some sort of shops. This feels like a little village in itself. They're so cute. Please. Is this a Chinese? Oh, it's noodle and sushi. Oh, I bet it's good. Oh, this is like a jewellery shop. They do sell Pandora in there. Look at that. Okay. Cute. So the pool must be somewhere here. You can literally sit there, you can sit there. It's nice. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. People are in the pool. It's so nice. They have a fire. This is a full-on park. It's so nice. Wow. We've just come out of Ocean Hotel. Wow, it is amazing in there. It's just very classy, so much to do in there. It's like a whole city in itself. It's very spacious as well. A lot of restaurants, a lot of like grab and go places. The casino was huge. The interior and the architecture was amazing. The sun's behind me so you can't really see me. Please subscribe, that would just mean a lot to me. You'll see me very soon in the next one. Bye!